basically today what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and install these door handles. So you guys can tell we took these off when we painted the car 1986 4-eyed Foxbody, which we call the Sandbox. So we're just trying to save them, but they're pretty pitted, and you know, this is chrome and it just looks nasty and it didn't really work out, so we just went ahead and bought a new. So we're going to go ahead and pop them on. As you guys know, you got to use the rivets on these things. If you have a better way of doing it, let us know. Let's see what we can do. And we're also going to be installing the original locks, because we have the original keys for the car, so don't need to buy new stuff. We just use this stuff. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go ahead and see if we can install this and get it done. So I'm just going to open this up real quick just to show you guys what it looks like. It's got a little piece of plastic here just to save the chrome. So yeah, this is the left, that's the out for it. And of course, you would notice it because it wouldn't fit. So let's install this lock in first. Now, once you get it in nice and flush, the clip goes from right out here. See, you got a little slot right there, and there's where it goes. All right. Come on, hand. So we got that installed. We're gonna go ahead and put in our rod at the bottom here. And it's a little tricky because it's kind of down here in the hidden area right there. So I'm gonna bring it in and I'm gonna let it hang, so when I put in the door handle, I can slide right into it. Let's see here. This thing's all broken and stuff and dried out, so I'll put this one on here. It's a good thing we got two, because then I'll just slide this one to the other side too.
Let me know what I need to hold.
Yeah, we're gonna. Get that guy in. Let's see.
What do I need to hold?
We'll probably have to hold it open. That's for sure, like that. Let me get the other one on there.
Hey.
That's one. Now I'll go on this one.
Okay, hold on.
Got it? Get it? Yep. That's it. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to put that little clip back here for the...
I see it.
Alright.
Yep.
Over a little bit.
The yellow.
And then, sorry. Push it through again. And then clip it in. And there it is. Okay, I got the lock.
Now we gotta get that off.
This guy. Hopefully this one doesn't fight me as much as the other one did, you know, but
you never know.
We never know. We can sneak some of it down. we go.
Yep.
There we go. One door handle and lock installed. There you go, buddy. No, it's a little dark, but we got it in. As you guys could tell, we had to go out and get ourselves a new rivet popper here. We didn't have the right size. Lost a little bit of time, lost a little bit of light. We ended up putting in the original lock cylinders in here because we have the original keys for it. It got a little tricky because it was a little thicker than usual. It had you know, a little bit more paint than usual. And like I said, it was just an easy little process. We got these door handles off of LMR.
CJ Pony.
Sorry about that. We got these door handles out of CJ Pony. They came with the pop rivets, and all we did is use the internal hardware, and then we just bought some new retainers for the lock cylinders. So basically now, as you guys can tell, perfect shut and open. So now we're gonna get to move on and start getting the rest of this put on. We're gonna put in the windshield and the back window and these windows in. Now that we have all this trim, we're gonna raise up these windows and then continue with the inside. Got to get that done. Got to set up the barrel. Got to set up the suspension. So we still got quite a bit to go. So stay tuned for that, guys. Anything else right now? What we've done, we finished painting it. I know you guys saw us do it out here in the summer and outside, and you know, you get what you get with what we do outside. So right now we're happy with what we got, and we're just gonna keep moving forward and see what we can do else to it. I know we got to clean up the inside before we bring in the heater control and all that stuff in there, and then we might end up taking off that column and cleaning up all that metal. But right now we're gonna concentrate on doing suspension and engine. So guys, thanks for everybody on YouTube. Thanks for everybody on Instagram. Thank you for everybody on Facebook that's following us. Keep sending us your comments, and you know, send us your stories. And if you guys see that we're doing something wrong, please let us know, because it's just me and I don't know everything. We'll see you guys soon, and remember, subscribe. The next 2 videos are coming right up, guys. We'll see you soon, all right? Stay safe.